Hello, Bulldogs. Today you will start learning about the political or the government systems in North Africa and Southwest Asia region. And you will be learning about an event that happened in the history of those countries that can explain why they have the government that they do now. This event is known as the Arab Spring. The Arab Spring was a series of pro-democracy uprisings that happened in several largely Muslim countries, including Tunisia, Morocco, Syria, Libya, Egypt, and Bahrain. The events in these nations generally began in the spring of 2011. However, 10 years later, the political and social impact of these popular uprisings remains significant today, years after many of them ended. And those uprisings were pro democracy. Remember, democracy means the government ruled by the people. It is a limited form of government. That means that people wanted to have a democracy type of government in their countries. Please be sure to watch the video about the Arab Spring first. And after you do that, you will need to pick one of the countries, either Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, or Syria, to learn a little bit more about. So let's say you will pick Tunisia. You can click on the name of it. You're going to read information about its political system. And you will also look at the freedom scores as well as some videos. After you do that, you will go to the last slide where you will be asked to answer some questions. I will talk about the last question. It's asking you to say whether the Arab Spring Revolution was a success, yes or no, and why. And remember, we talked about it during live Zoom. Revolution is a forcible overthrow of a government in favor of a new system. So did the citizens achieve freedom and limited government as they wanted to when they had their revolution? If you say yes or no, you'll need to explain.